3 ways of creating a credit memo in N41. The first method is useful to create a credit memo directly from an existing return authorization. Let's start by clicking on the Customers tab within the N41 Pilot menu. Then, select the Return Authorization tab. Choose to refresh and input the RA number. If you do not know the RA number, click the list icon to view the list of available RAs. You can click on any column title and type the keyword and click Search. Search for the RA from the list. Click and highlight the RA you want to create the credit memo for and click Select. Your RA will now be open on your screen. You can now select the Create CM icon to generate your credit memo. Once you have verified that all information on the credit memo is correct, click Save to save the credit memo into the system. This second method will use the return authorization from your credit memo screen. Again, let's start by clicking on the Customers tab within the N41 Pilot menu, then click on the Credit Memo tab. Click on the CM by RA icon. A list of all RAs will be generated. You can click on any column title and type the keyword and click Search. Search for the RA from the list. Click and highlight the RA of your selection and click Select. Click Save to save it into the system. The third and final method will allow you to create a credit memo manually. Let's start by clicking on the Customers tab within the N41 Pilot menu. Then select the Credit Memo tab. Click New and select the customer from the drop-down list. Your customer list will populate as you begin to type. Now you have 2 options to add styles on your credit memo. 1. You can choose to add styles manually by clicking on the red Add Style icon, or 2. You can link a previous invoice for this customer by clicking on the magnifying glass next to the Invoice Number section. If you choose to add styles manually, keep doing so until you have no more styles to add, making sure that quantities that are being inputted are done so in the negative. If you choose to add styles from a previous invoice, a list of all invoices for this customer will generate. You will now choose the invoice and click Select. You now have the option to delete styles and modify quantities on the credit memo screen. Once you have verified all information on the credit memo is correct, click Save to save into the system.